Hi parents, teachers, educators, principals. Parental education. We are conducting this parental education webinar every Sunday. Why? Let's be very clear. Education is not like transferring a data from one phone to the other, or sending a message, forwarding a message. How I wish such a technology exists. You can go to maybe a maths research lab and you can transfer all the maths lessons to my mind. I wish such a facility is going to be there. Who knows, it might be. Education is a very, it's a very peculiar process by I transfer my knowledge to those who are in front of me, because there is life in the classroom. It's a transaction between one living being to another living being. One thinking being to another thinking being. One meaning-making being to another meaning-making being. I hope you have understood what I am trying to say. So it's not a transfer of data. It is a process of my communicating with the mind of the children. So it's very important. No matter how rich are you, no matter how much fee that you pay, no matter how big is the school, if the children are not given the proper environment in the home, if the children are not given the proper environment in the school, education will not take place. And so, we want to conduct the parental education webinars every Sunday. Amazing babies. We are actually starting a revolution. And you can be a part of the revolution. A lot of revolutions take place, no? Independence revolution, green revolution, white revolution. Me and Radha Madam, when we attended the NLP seminar in Colorado, United States, and in the Institute for the Enhancement of Human Potential at Philadelphia, United States, we never realized we were going to hit a pot of gold. That made a very big difference. Let's be very clear. Heredity and environment are springboards, not prison cells. In my parental education counseling, in my teachers' empowerment seminars, this question is asked: is there a link between the education level of the parent and the performance of a child? No. The answer is a strict no. You cannot imprison a child's growth just because the child is coming from an uneducated family. Here, the parental education has a different meaning. It is not educated parent, but parental education. Educated parent or graduates, postgraduates, chartered accountants, IAS officers, highly intellectual blues. It's about educating the parents on certain software to bring up their children. Our individual genetic potential is that of a human race. Please understand. See, our individual genetic potential is that of Leonardo da Vinci, Shakespeare, Mozart, Michelangelo, Edison, or Einstein. If Einstein can do, your child can do. If Edison can do, your child can do. If Shakespeare can write, your child can write. Now please believe it. Our individual genetic potential is not that of our parents and grandparents. In my individual counseling, in my teacher seminar, parents workshop, they ask me this question, sir, I am not read. I am not a very highly educated person. I have no taste of music, but my son wants to be a musician. Is it possible? It is possible because of this factor. We belong to that human race. You may be the son or grandson of our father and grandfather. We may inherit their physical features, my facial expression, the type of my nose, the way I get bald, my height, but nothing to do with education. All intelligence is a product of environment. All intelligence. High intelligence is a product of environment. What is the environment? The environment of the school, which is only maybe 1/3, maybe, or less than 1/3. Maybe about 6 hours the child is in the school. The rest of the time, the environment of the parents and the society. So, high intelligence is the product of the environment, where the child is coming from. Low intelligence is also a product of environment. If you ask me the question, what is intelligence? Accumulation of data. It is a storage of information. If the child is brought up by parents who have a taste for this. A father need not be a cricketer, but you should know how to help the child to play cricket. A father need not be a dancer, a mother need not be a dancer, but the mother should be able to facilitate the honing of the skill of dancing in her daughter. The widely intellectual differences in us are the result of wide differences in the environment in which we are raised. So the difference in the intellectual level is a function of the difference in the environmental factor. That's it. It is the environment of poverty, but not the genetics of poverty which begets poverty. Amazing sentence. Poverty is not just money poverty. Right? It is the environment of knowledge which begets knowledge. There is no genetics of poverty or knowledge. If there were, how do you explain a single individual escapes poverty and becomes so rich in knowledge? Poverty of knowledge I am talking about. And so, it's an amazing revolution we are talking about. Let us start this revolution every Sunday morning 9 to 10. I have given the email ID and the WhatsApp in the dialog box in this YouTube video. It is also running as part of the message. I have posted this message in the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please join us.